Hey everyone, this month we will be continuing working on our shadow spell. In the first part, previous month, we did the cast, and in this part we're gonna bring the enemy character. We're gonna work in blueprints to get the collisions right. Also, there'll be additional effects being displayed on the enemy, and finally we're gonna add the cone attack for our character. So let me press play. Okay, and this is what I've got so far. It will be mostly technical than usual. We're gonna look into overdraw as well, try to minimize it, so there'll be a little bit of optimization techniques. But overall, this is what we're gonna try to create as close as possible. So that's tier 1. And for tier 2 members on 1mafx.com, I've got this really cool looking spaceship. There is some emissive elements on it as well. So you're gonna get this model. I'm gonna create a video for you how to import this into the engine, set up the materials, and then you can just go and create some VFX for it. So a couple ideas, definitely the jet engine. You might have two different ones, as this is the main engine and those are more like a side engines, I think. So you can create like two different effects. This one could be a lot more intense than these ones. I got some rockets for the model as well, and let me just bring them onto the scene. All I have to do is fix their pivot point, because currently it sits there, so I have to re-import them into the engine with the correct pivot point. You can set those maybe here, and another one just slightly different looking, probably could be here on this ship. Okay, so there might be some rocket explosions, rocket trails as well. You could create some warp speed effect as well. A bunch of effects you can add to that ship, and I mean, looking at it, it's gonna look really cool in your portfolio. Okay, so hope you're gonna enjoy this one. And previous month we did the looping the smoke in Embergen, and in the second part, which will be next month, and that should be October, we're gonna be looking into finalizing our looping smoke in Embergen.